In this example, we're going to look at passive elements and how we can calculate their power. So remember, a passive element is one where the current wants to go from high potential to low potential. That is what we mean by passive. It is turning that energy into heat or something productive. It's passive. An active element will actually increase the potential of the charge, and that's something like a battery, which is supplying energy. All right, so let's go through each of these. So we're going to be using the equation P equals, so I'm going to go plus or minus IV. You'll see why I added the plus or minus in a second for each of these. So for this first one, our power, our arrow enters the positive sign. Our current is 2 amps, and our voltage is 3. So we're going to get a positive 6, which means that this is passive because it is positive. For this one, we are going to have, so our arrow is going out this way, which means it came in this way. So we're going to pick up this positive sign. So our power is equal to positive. And then we're just going to put in our numbers. So we have a 2 amps here. And we have a 3 here. So same thing. This is going to be a positive 6, and it is passive. In this case, our arrow enters the positive sign. So power is equal, sorry about that. So we get our positive sign from entering there. Our current is a negative 2, and our voltage is a positive 3. So we get a negative 6 here, which means this isn't active, it's negative. So that tells us it's not passive, it's active. And then this one, our arrow enters the negative sign, so our power is negative, and our current is 2. Our voltage is 3. And again, we're going to get negative 6, which means this is active. So the other case, so we didn't have it on any of these, but you could have had like a negative 3 in here, and if you do that, then you're going to plug the negative 3 in here. All right. So just kind of recapping, passive, the current goes from high to low. Passive, the current goes from high to low. Active, the current, while it looks like it goes from high to low, this is actually negative current, so it's actually flowing this way. Because the negative sign means you can flip the arrow. So it's either negative 2 amps this way, or it is positive 2 amps this way. It's the same current. So this is 2 amps. The 2 amps goes from negative to positive.